What's going on, H-Fam? We came down here for a hike, and we were gonna hike down to this waterfall, but it's literally on the side of the road. Houston's already taken off. He's rock climbing. But there goes our adventure for the day. But maybe we can get some good shots of us playing in the water. I have a really good feeling this is about to be some cold water. But yeah, we'll get back to you shortly once we get set up. All right, we're back. Down these little rocks. Let's think about it, buddy. Take your first dip. Is it cold? Yeah? Alright, let Daddy get down here. Maybe I won't slip and fall on the slip rock.
They are slipping.
Oh yeah, that's slick.
Can you eat it?
Maybe not.
It's spider webs.
Brush them out the way with a hand. Oh my goodness.
It's cold over here more.
Take a look at that. Beautiful.
Cold.
Ain't warm.
Hot? Hot? Cold? The rocks there? How can you tell? Oh gosh.
Let's check this place out. Got a little creek over here. That's part of the waterfall I just went to. Beautiful. Alright guys, I think my mic's working now. But anyways, as I was saying before, I realized we didn't have our mics on. That trip was awfully cut short. So we're gonna head back to Brasstown Falls, to the upper part of the trail, to get the portion that we missed last time when he had wrestling camp. Another waterfall up the road called That's apparently it's just almost as short as that one, if not just a little bit further. But I had some friends recommend that we go do these. I love that fall. I mean, with my daughter, if I brought her back, she could literally walk from the car and just jump right in. But we'll see how she does, because she sometimes can be a little whiny about cold water and about being uncomfortable, but we're trying to break her of that so she can go do more trips with us.
Last video we saw snakes.
Yeah, me and sister saw a snake, and she got upset, but she did good. She overcame. But
Never there.
yeah, he went to school. But next time we see you, we'll be at Brasstown. We should be there in 20 minutes or so, but we'll see you shortly. And we're back to Brasstown Falls. You excited, buddy? Are you gonna go swim in this one? Yeah?
He'd always chase us.
Hmm?
He'd always chase us when we always did.
Probably the yellow shirt thinking you're a flower. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, there it is. Brasstown Falls, Upper Fall. That's Houston over there. And we had to take a minute to start recording because there was some females down here that were swimming, and I wanted to keep their privacy. So I put the phone down. I mean, Houston went over and played for a little bit. But look at that. That's beautiful. So if you want a place to go, I would highly suggest the Upper Falls and the Lower Falls, unless you're just wanting to go climb up and down the trails on the Lower Falls. If you have little children, this is the trail to go down, the Upper Falls. But apparently when we pulled up, it was slam packed, so I think everybody went down. There was only a few, I think maybe 5 or 6 females here. Or maybe they drove individually, I don't know. But the parking lot was full, and we got the place to ourselves now. So we get to be boys and splash and make mud pies and throw rocks, and he's over there growling like a bear at the fish. So yeah, I highly suggest if you guys want to come somewhere, come here. It's free. The waterfall we were at before this one is $5 to get in. This one is free. You just have to drive with no service for about 4 miles, but it's okay. You don't need it. I got my All Trails running on my other phone, so I'm gonna have a heck of a time on this one. But you guys stay tuned. And this is the trail back. Not long at all. I have a bunch of hitchhikers in my shoe. Okay, it's not that far to the car. Look at this. Well, any wildlife we would have seen were scared off. All right, let's keep going. Sorry for the squeaky shoes. My feet are wet.
Can we go to the waterfalls?
Not today, buddy.
It's right over there.
I know. We've already been to that one.
Can we go to it again?
We're gonna see if we can find something else to do. You want to video me? It's already still recording, so.
So we're going over down here. I don't know where we're going. But when we get in the car, we have a lot of fun. Which, there's some trees over here. Let's just say I didn't catch any fish. I wanted to catch fish, but not swim. But see how, like, far that is from me? Now, like, you can see it. But we didn't catch any fish. So, yeah. Walking back to our car. And I'll see y'all guys in the car. You're not going to see my dad. Because I'm going to talk about where we're going. My dad's going to tell y'all too. So, yeah. We didn't bring my mom because the reason we didn't is she had to work. We can't bring her because last week we were at the beach. And on Saturday we went there for a week. On Friday we went to the Toy Story movie 5 though. And what do you think about the Toy Story movie, Daddy? 10 out of 10 recommend, he said. What about the beach?
9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10. I liked it. It was really hot, he said. So, I'm going to see y'all guys in the car when I go to my dad. A little bit of my dad. So.
You're filming your shirt.
Yeah. Now I am now.
Yeah.
I'll film myself in the car too.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed that.
I filmed 2 videos because I accidentally pressed the on record video thing.
That's fine.
So I have to. What bees around me?
You're outside, buddy.
What?
I said, well, you're outside.
Get your microphone ready, Daddy. We're back.
All right, buddy. Which one of those did you like better?
This one.
This one's better. I have to agree. This one's pretty jam up. I like it a lot. The falls is a lot easier to get to. The other one, if you got small kids, I wouldn't recommend taking them. They'll slip on the rocks, bust their head, and it goes pretty deep. Actually here, took a little bit of a spill. Good thing my camera wasn't recording because I would be on America's Funniest Home Videos instead of YouTube. But the only thing you gotta watch out for here is slick mud, and it's only maybe thigh deep, maybe a little bit deeper on some people. I'm 6'3". But yeah, if you want to, I would highly suggest the upper falls at Brasstown Falls. It's jam up, dude, and I really would like to bring my family back here for a picnic and a play day. Would you like that? Yeah. Yep. Maybe we can bring some friends back with us and do a big picnic, potluck type thing. Just spend all day out here. But like I said, when we first got here, the whole parking lot was full. They must all be down at the lower falls, down there swimming. It's got a bigger swimming area, but this one to me is more family friendly and big guy friendly. The other one like to kill me when I was coming back up with Crocs on. So don't wear Crocs. Get strapped shoes with good tread. In the last video, if you notice how I was sitting there with my hat off and I was breathing hard, it's because I almost died. It wasn't because I was that far out of shape. It was because it scared the crap out of me. I thought I was a goner. But yeah, y'all have a good day. Tell them bye, Houston.
Bye.
Bye.